Now this x square is cancelled to this x square because these are the equal, and when shift it will become negative. Now y square has been cancelled with y square. Now we will see this 25 is cancelled by this 25. Also this positive 1 is cancelled by this positive 1. We left with what? It is minus 10x. It is plus 2x. When shifted it become minus 12x. And minus 2y when shifted to this side, this become what? This is minus 2y, this is minus of 10y. This become our, first of all we have seen here it is x square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equals to x square plus 1 plus 2x, then y square plus 25 minus of 10y. X square y square and x square y square get cancelled, plus 25 and plus 25, plus 1 and plus 1. Now this is plus 2x, this is minus 10x when this port is shifted to this side. So this is minus of our 10x and this is our plus of 2x. So this become minus of 12x. Now this minus 2y when shifted to this side, this become the positive 2y. So minus 10y plus 2y gives us what? Minus of 8y. Minus and minus cancelled. 4 3 are 12, that is 3x, and 4 2 are 8, that is what? 2y. This is our required result, that 3x is equals to 2y, which we need to prove. So we can apply our distance formula for solving the various questions. Now we will tell you how this formula is required to prove that whether points are collinear, whether nature of triangle is isosceles, scalene, equilateral, right triangle, right isosceles, and also decide the nature of quadrilaterals type, for which you have to see I am going to give you some idea of this concept here only. That is how to show and how to apply this formula of the distance, whether the nature of triangle is equilateral, scalene or isosceles. First of all, if I explain you, this is P, this point is Q, this point is R. Suppose we are given here coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and coordinates for R x3, y3. We have the coordinates of three vertices PQR of any triangle x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. If coordinates are given, then by using the distance formula we can find, let us suppose PQ is the first distance D1, and this is very much easily extracted by the using distance formula, distance between 2 points. Then we can calculate, suppose this distance is coming out to be A, then we can calculate the second distance QR, suppose second distance D2, again x2, y2 and x3, y3, and suppose this distance is given by our B. Now we will calculate the third distance PR, that is D3, and will also be calculated by the same formula, distance formula, and suppose that distance is how much? C. Now question raised, how we decide the nature of triangle. The first situation, if A is equal to B is equal to C, it means all sides of triangle are equal. We will say triangle is equilateral, number 1. And in the second situation, if two sides are equal, and third is unequal, we will say triangle is isosceles. Triangle will be isosceles. And in the third situation, if none of the length is equal to each other, we will say the triangle is equilateral. So it is very much useful to decide the nature of triangle, whether it is equilateral, isosceles or scalene. Similarly, we can also observe one important fact, that if a square of any of the side, suppose A square is coming out to be B square plus C square, it means that using the converse of Pythagoras, we say the square of one side is equals to square of sum of other two sides. So we conclude that distance formula is very much useful to decide the nature of triangle. If all lengths comes equal, equilateral, two lengths come equal, it is isosceles, all three lengths come different, it is, we can say scalene triangle, that is not equilateral here, it is the scalene one, scalene triangle. And third, if square of the any longer side comes equal to sum of squares of other two side, it is the right angled triangle. So if using this formula we find other two sides are equal, so we say it is right isosceles also. We will take some example where the nature of triangle is required to be decided. Now I am taking one important example which tells, or we can say with the help of that we decide the nature of triangle. Suppose the question is check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. We know that the triangle is having 3 vertices, 3 angles, 3 sides. A triangle has 6 parts. 3 sides and 3 angles are considered as the 6 parts of a triangle. To check whether the triangle is equilateral, if all sides are equal in length, equilateral, 2 sides are equal, it is known as the isosceles. If none of them is equal and triangle forms, is known as the scalene. If the square of the largest one is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, it is known as the isosceles triangle. It is known as our right triangle. Now the question is, we have the 3 vertices A, B, C, or you can say P, Q, R. Suppose we mention here in the plane, this is the P, this is the Q and this is the R. Coordinates for the first point P are 5 comma minus 2. Coordinates of the second vertices is 6 comma 4 and coordinates for the last third vertex is 7 comma minus 2.